My name is Danny. I'm the founder of Gladiators. Founded the business about 2013 and got serious about it here about 2 years ago. And I came from the aviation arena. I was a commercial pilot for over 15 years. Been an entrepreneur ever since. I got started in junk removal because I was buying real estate and I was renovating my own commercial and residential properties, and I was hiring other companies to come out to provide junk removal for myself. And I wasn't getting the service that I thought I wanted it. And one particular customer or company came out and they charged me an extra $100 because they couldn't pick up their container. Next following week, I proceeded to go out and buy my own truck only for myself, so that I could remove my own junk out of my homes that I was renovating. And that turned into a business. I truly enjoy providing a service and seeing the smiles on our customer faces once we remove their items or get their home ready for prep to clean out or prep to sell or whatever they're going to do with their home. The pandemic itself was such a it was new, something new for everyone. I mean, we all had this fear. I mean, I left my career of 15 years and I went into the junk removal business full time. And this was back in January. And then March hit and the old crap moment sets in. And you're thinking, what did I just do? Did I leave my lucrative career to come and start this business? And now we are in the midst of a pandemic. And that lasted for about 2 weeks. We did slow down, but outside of that, it picked back up. And now it was back to dealing with my day-to-day business. I was writing things down. I was using Google Calendar and everything else, all the tools that I could use. And I was still finding myself getting overwhelmed with work and losing clients in the midst of it. Stumbled upon Workiz, and my life has changed from that point. You guys are doing an amazing job over there. Keep doing what it is that you're doing because you're making the small guys like us look very, very professional and very big. Amongst the team and I, we always get back at the end of the day and we have a Finders of the Day award, like whatever you find. For instance, we were doing a clean out and I found this little black box, and I had initially I thrown it away. I had put it away, and then something told me to go back to open it, and I did, and I found like 100 pennies from the early 1900s and late 1800s. I mean, get out there, promote your business, do whatever you need to do to advertise. Don't be afraid because it goes hand in hand. I know a lot of businesses out there, small businesses, mom and pop, such as myself, we are afraid of advertising. The cost is significant to our bottom line, but you can't be in business if you're not advertising. That's the first tip I would recommend. The second tip I would recommend is getting a software such as Workiz. It's going to make your life and your business so much easier.